One half of this moon is as bright as fresh snow. The other half is as dark as coal. Same moon, same orbit, same age. So what happened? This is Iapetus, one of Saturn's moons, and it has been confusing people since Giovanni Cassini spotted it through a telescope back in 1671. He noticed something strange. The moon kept disappearing and reappearing on one side of Saturn, but not the other. His explanation, and he was basically right, was that one face of the moon must be much darker than the other. In the brighter regions visible here, you can see Iapetus looks like what you'd expect a frozen moon to look like, pale, battered by craters, covered in ice. Now look over to the right side of the moon. See that dark stain spreading across the surface. That brownish-black coating isn't a shadow, it's real. It darkens entire craters, it climbs over ridges, it pools in the lowlands. The leading idea today is that this material is a kind of carbon-rich residue. When dirty ice warms up and evaporates, it leaves that dark gunk behind. And some of it may have been delivered from outside, dust knocked loose from other moons by meteor strikes, drifting inward and painting Iapetus as it swept through its orbit. In 2007, NASA sent the Cassini spacecraft to within 2,000 kilometers of this surface to get a closer look. Even then, no one was completely sure. Now look toward the lower left of the moon. That enormous circular scar is a 500-kilometer-wide impact crater, about the distance from Los Angeles to San Francisco, just as a ring of broken ground. And look carefully. There's an older, similar-sized crater underneath it. One catastrophic hit, then another, layered on top of each other over billions of years. The fact that the bright ice here hasn't been stained yet, the way the upper right side has, makes scientists think the darkening is still an active, ongoing process, not something that happened once and stopped. What gets me about Iapetus is that it's been sitting out there for 4.5 billion years, slowly getting painted. And we almost missed the whole story because a moon disappearing on one side of a planet once seemed like a minor curiosity. Sometimes the weird detail is the whole thing. We'll be here tomorrow with whatever the data shows next. Subscribe so you don't have to remember to come back.